This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 2. So the question states, which one of the following Boolean expression is not a tautology? Four expressions are given. So what is a tautology? Tautology is a Boolean expression which is true for all values. True for all values, or we can say which is always true. So let us see. So what is X implies Y? Let us see option A. So what is X implies Y? X implies Y is equivalent to X dash plus Y, or you can say X dash or Y. So we have A implies B and B implies C. This whole implies A implies C. So we have A dash plus B into B dash plus C. So what is the equivalent for OR? And it is multiplication, OR is addition. Now this whole implies A dash plus A implies C, which is A dash plus C. Now this whole implication can also be solved, so we will get A dash. Let us solve the inner part. So we will get, okay, let us keep it like this only for first, B dash plus C, then this whole dash plus A dash plus C. Now using the De Morgan's law, what is AB whole dash? It is A dash plus B dash. So what is this whole complement? It is A dash plus B whole dash plus B dash plus C whole dash plus A dash plus C. So what is this? We get it as AB dash plus BC dash plus A dash plus C. So what is A plus A complement B? It is equivalent to A plus B. Okay. So let us move A dash over here. A dash. So what is A dash plus AB? It is equal to A dash plus B dash. What is C plus C dash B? It is equal to C plus B. What is B plus B dash? It is true. B plus C plus 1, or you can say true. 1 plus anything is always true. So this whole term is always true. So it is a tautology. Let us see option B. So option B says A implies C implies negation of B implies A and C. So what is A implies C? A dash plus C. It implies, what is B implies AC? It's B dash. Negation of B can also be written as B dash. So it is B dash whole dash, which is B plus AC. Now this whole implies can be solved as A dash plus C dash. What is X implies Y? X dash plus Y. So it will be equal to A dash plus C whole dash plus B plus AC. So it is equal to A plus C dash plus B plus AC. So what is, taking A as common, we will get A into 1 plus C plus C dash plus B. So we get 1 plus anything is always true. So we get A plus B plus C dash. Here this can be true as well as false. So if you take A as false, B as false and C as true, then this is false plus false plus false complement, true complement is false. So it can have a false value too. So it is not a tautology. So B option is not a tautology. Let us see option C. So answer is B, but we need to also see option C, as nowadays MSQ questions are also coming. But this is MCQ, but still let us see option C. So it is A into B into C implies C plus A. So what is this? It is A B C dash plus A plus C. So it is A dash plus B plus C plus A plus C. So what is A plus A dash? It is always true. So we get 1. So 1 plus anything is always true. So it is a tautology. Whatever may be the value of A, B and C, it will always come out to be true. Option D is A implies B implies A. So what is A implies B implies A? It is A dash plus B implies A. Now let us solve it further. We get A dash plus B dash plus A. So what is A plus A dash? It is true, always true. So what is true plus B dash? It is always true. So it is also a tautology. So correct answer is option D is not a tautology. Rest all three are tautologies.